happy with what you do for a living? What is the reason behind such feeling?
I'm a doctor, obstetrician and gynecologist, and I am serving each and every age group of the women in the society. So I'm very happy with my living.
I am serving to a poor people. I want to help them. I want to help the needy person.
Yes, I am happy and fully satisfied.
I teach history to 11th and 12th, and I really love to do that. Why? Because the unconditional love which you get and unconditional respect which you get from students, this cannot compete with any other profession.
It's difficult to say whether women today are happy with what they're doing. I mean, a woman working in a work site, having a pile of bricks on her head might not be happy with what she's doing, and somebody sitting in a boardroom would be.
Given a chance, would you like to do something different? If yes, what would it be?
Yes, acting is my hobby and my passion. Definitely, I will join theatre.
हाँ, चाहती हूँ एक एनजीओ खोलना और सीनियर सिटीजन जो भी हैं अगर बाई चांस इन द फ्यूचर नहीं भी कर पाई तो मैं उनके लिए किसी भी तरीके से जो भी हेल्प कर पाऊँ वो जरूर करना चाहती हूँ.
I would love to learn singing, dancing, and of course travel a lot.
I'm very happy with whatever I'm doing. Actually, giving society something related to women, I'm more than satisfied.
I want to become a police inspector, so I will serve for my country.
More and more women, both in semi-urban and in urban India, are working today, and that's a jolly good thing for them.
One gender myth you want to break?
The negative perception of the society towards the woman.
I think people need to change their mentality, their thinking, and learn to respect women every single day for the contribution that they make in their life.
वुमेन्स को कभी फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं लेना चाहिए. बॉयज की कहीं ना कहीं इस लेवल पे आके सोच हो जाती है कि औरतें कुछ नहीं कर सकती, उन्हें फॉर ग्रांटेड लेना चाहिए. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर औरतें चाहें तो सब कुछ कर सकती हैं.
Usually in common man, it's a feeling that a lady can give birth to a baby boy or a girl, but actually she can give birth to only a child. Boy or girl depends upon the husband's sample.
One gender myth which I would like to break is that women drivers are bad drivers.
There is a certain sense that they want to sort of live out their identities, their desires, their wanting to be and do whatever they want without having to bear the burden of being somewhat gentler and better and more sensitive. And these societal expectations, these myths built around women being better is, I think, the myth they want to burst above all. Yeah?
Woman. What does this word mean to you?
You can see that this word includes a man in it.
Yes.
So she is far ahead of a man. She can handle any problem, any situation in this world given a chance.
The word woman means to me, she is protective, she is fiery, she is lovable, she is emotional, she is beautiful and she is passionate.
सब कुछ आजकल वुमेन से रिलेटेड ही है. बच्चे पैदा करने से लेकर घर चलाने तक वुमेन ही है.
Message for every woman?
Fulfill your dreams, achieve your goals and live your life.
A woman should respect her daughter. If she will not respect her, then nobody in this world will understand that a girl child can bring a difference in this world.
My message to all the women is, live your life, be happy, be creative and be yourself.